Vegetable biryani, a delicious way of eating vegetable through biryani. Hello Alice, I am Arunima and coming with second recipe of the biryani series in Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Today is another quick, easy and delicious biryani recipe. Let's see the vegetable biryani recipe. To marinate the rice, take 1 bowl of washed rice. You can use any kind of rice also, but I will suggest use any fragrance rice. The rice is only washed, not soaked. Add the ghee in the rice. This marination step is absolutely optional, but for better taste, you can do this. Add the biryani masala and little salt. Mix gently. Add pinch of food color. It's absolutely optional. You can skip this. Instead of food color, you can use turmeric powder and red chili powder also. Now take a pressure cooker. Add ghee in the pressure cooker. Melt the ghee. Add the grated ginger, clove, cinnamon, cumin seeds, teared bay leaf and teared cardamom. Saute them nicely in low flame. When the fragrance releases, add the chopped vegetables like carrot, cauliflower and potatoes. You can use any other vegetables like beans, capsicums, peas, etc. Saute the vegetables. Take curd in a mixing bowl. Add the garam masala, cumin powder, salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder in the curd. Beat them nicely. Mix all the spices in the curd so that they can be mixed properly. It is the healthy version of biryani, so do not use unnecessary oil or ghee. Add the curd mixture in the vegetable. The curd mixture is the main flavor of the vegetable gravy, so do not skip this. Mix the vegetable with the curd nicely. Add little water to avoid the burning. Mix well. Keep stirring to avoid any burning. Add more garam masala for extra flavor. Allow the veggies to half boil. Add the marinated rice. Mix the rice with the vegetable gravy. If you want to see another biryani recipes, check my soya biryani and aloo biryani recipe. I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check them out and stay tuned with me for more biryani recipes in the upcoming days. Add kevda water. And rose water. Mix immediately in low flame. I am adding more kevda water for more flavor. You can add as per your choice. Add 2 bowls of water. Measurement is very important, so measure your rice and water with the same bowl. All the measurements are in the description box. Do check them out. Mix well. Add very little ghee for extra flavor. Give it a good mix. Do not cook the biryani in oil. Now cover the cooker and give 1 whistle. Open the lid and see. The perfect vegetable biryani in pressure cooker is ready. See how perfect the texture is. Serve it hot with raita or your favorite curry and enjoy the awesome taste with your family.
Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below have you enjoyed this biryani recipe or not. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Follow me on Instagram to get more awesome tips and health benefits. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in next Tuesday with another biryani recipe. Till then, bye.